So, hello guys, this is the part 2 of fidget trading. This is my cousin.
Hi, my name is Enjoy.
Okay, let's trade now.
This fidget.
Who? Can I touch it?
Yes.
Okay. So slimy, I love it. Okay, this is what I will trade for you. This thing.
Oh.
Hair tie. Your favorite color.
Okay. And
What?
this is the next one.
No. Let's check first. Check. Check.
Okay.
So we accept our trade. No, not like that. Check. Now let me take this. This is where I'm gonna put the is the one that trade for me. Okay. So squishy, I love it. So okay.
And now I have this butter squishy.
Wow, let me see it. Pink butter squishy. Let's try it. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'll add my needle. Ay, no. I'll add my clay. It's rainbow.
Oh, I accept it.
I accept. Okay, let me take it.
Let me take
I love it.
And guys, there's my and this is the next one.
Oh, I
This
will
is-
add this.
Oh, this one I have a green needle.
Oh, okay.
Can you add?
Oh, okay. This one and this one. Can I try this?
Okay.
Can you please add two?
Yes, I accept it.
No. Can you add two like that? I want that needle.
This.
Oh my gosh, I accept.
Me
Take
too.
this and I take it. So guys, this is what I get from fidget trading with my beautiful cousin.
Because in the last video, she looked like Michael Jackson, and all my family members look like this hand, and I already have, and now
And guys, this is what
These.
we got from fidget trading.
for part 3.